My ex is not responding at all. What should I do? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Cormont, #1 relationship expert when it comes to get back with the one that you love. In today's video, I really want to help you to understand what should you do when your ex is not responding at all. Maybe you have tried the text message, the phone call, the letter, and nothing has worked. What should you do? Number one thing, maybe you have done too much. It's time now to do the no contact. I know it's hard because you have the fear to lose him, to lose her forever, but actually you have no response. So you should change something about your behavior. And the no contact is really important because during 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, it depends on your situation. During a couple of weeks, you will be really focusing on yourself. And if you are telling me, and if you're watching this video, telling yourself why my ex is not responding at all, it's because you have done too much. So by doing the no contact, you can recreate something special. So number one, you should stop contacting your ex. I know it's scary. I know you have the feeling that you will do nothing, but the no contact is an action, okay? If your ex will not hear about you, if your ex is not hearing about you, that means we can change the situation. That means we can create curiosity from him or from her. So it's time now to be careful. Don't contact your ex anymore, okay? Stop contacting your ex. Take the time to change, really change. It could be your Facebook profile, your WhatsApp profile pictures. It could be to bring new activities into your life. It could be to change your appearance. But it's time now to really go into your changes, to really try your best to make sure that your ex will see you as a new person. And by doing these changes, you will allow you to recreate something new. It will not be getting back together. It will be opening a new page. Because if today your ex is not responding at all, there is a reason. They are seeing you so needy. They are taking you for granted. And this is not what we want, okay? You're not a needy person. You have value. And you need to give you this value. You need to love yourself first. Now, I want to give you a technique that I've worked for a lot of people that I've coached. It's to block and deblock your ex. You will block your ex for a couple of days and then you will deblock your ex. Why? Because sometimes people around them, they will talk to them and they will say, that's weird. I think she has blocked you. Did you have seen her pictures or his pictures on Facebook? And your ex can be mad at you because you have blocked them. But this is a good way to make sure that they will respond next time, even if they are angry. Because what we want is something. We want a response. We don't want ignorance, okay? Something really important that you need to understand. Ignorance will kill you. But if he is or she is angry, that's an opportunity for us. So block and deblock. It's really working for my clients. If you need some help, you can just book a coaching session on withmyexagain.com/coaching and I will explain to you everything specifically when your ex is not responding to you at all. Because I can guarantee you that you will have a chance. You will have a chance. But sometimes it takes time. It takes time first to prepare yourself. Because if you have a chance but you're not ready, you can kill your chances to get back with the person that you love. So it will take time. You need to change. You need to be ready. And in order to be ready, you should move on. You cannot be thinking about your ex because when they will come back and they will see you so in love, so happy to talk to them because you will not control your emotion, that will kill your chances. So it's time now to move on. It's time to move on. And remember, you will have a chance to show them that you have moved on, okay? That you have done the job. And now, that will be their mission to come back to you. I know it's weird to understand exactly this concept, but if you can move on, that's the best way to control your emotion. If not, you will be always focusing on your ex, and then they will see into your eyes, into your tone of voice, into your behavior, Oh, you're just so in love. Oh, yeah. So no, I don't want to come back. If you want a chance, be ready for the chance, okay? If you want to talk about your situation, just leave a comment right below. Give me a like and please subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. On Love Advice TV, we have a lot of topics just for you about your love life, but also your personal life. If you love my French accent, if you want to work with me, if you really want to change your situation, come on withmyexagain.com/coaching. And I will be the happiest man in the world because I will help you change your love life. I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye guys.